Hello there. I'm doing this car seat again from Orchis for the second time for my car. The earlier one also lasted me for roughly 8 odd years, and the quality is like awesome. Probably if I'm going to take another car, it's again going to come to Orchis. Thank you.